Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are continuing in our method book on the flute with line 41, Peace Like a River. So we're going to go through, see what all we have, and look for patterns because that will make this a lot easier. So at the beginning of each line, we have our treble clef. We have our two flats in our key signature, our B flat and our E flat. So we're in the key of B flat. And then our time signature is 4/4 time. We have 4 beats in every measure, and our whole note gets 4 beats. So if the whole note gets 4, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes and the half rest get 2 beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So all of the quarter notes get 1 beat each. Now we're going to do this a little bit differently. We're going to break down into sections and look for patterns. So at the beginning, we have a pickup or an anacrusis that's on beats 3 and 4. And we're going to take it to the middle of this measure right here. So we have B flat to C, skip up to the E flat, play the E flat again to F, and then 2 Gs. So this is our pattern. That pattern happens a few more times. So if we stopped there, it happens again starting in the middle of this measure, B flat to C, E flat again, F, G, G. All right, so that's the next time it happens. Then it happens again after the half rest. B flat, C, E flat, F, G, G, just like the beginning. And then the final time it happens is right here, B flat, C, E flat, F, G, G. So now let's go through and find the ending of those phrases. So if we go back here, we start on the G, down to the F, E flat, that whole measure has nothing but E flats, and then C to B flat. So that happens there. And it happens again down here on the third line. G, F, E flat, whole measure of E flats, C, B flat. Now the only other part that we have that's a little bit different, right here, this is the ending of the actual first full phrase. So we have F, E flat, whole note F, and then at the very end, we switch the last 2 notes around and have 2 Fs in a row, followed by a whole note E flat. And that lets us know that we are done. So I'm going to start a metronome. I'm going to take you all the way through it, and I hope you can play along. As you're holding a note or you're repeating a note, look ahead to see what happens next. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready. And of course, that's a lot to absorb. So if you need to go back and watch a section of it again, do that. Break it down into smaller parts, play what you can, and then kind of skip around, do your best. Start each note with a t sound. And I hope this has been helpful, at least to get you started on Peace Like a River. Good luck.